Hi, Alan Cutts here with American Med Supply. I want to welcome you to our 2013 Sudden Cardiac Arrest Awareness Month AED giveaway. And we did this back in 2011, and it was a huge success. We missed 2012. Just other events came up, and we just never got around to putting it all together. So we're running it again this year, and what we're going to be doing is giving away an AED to someone as a drawing for yourself, maybe your community, however you want to use it. I mean, the last winter we gave it to them, and it was actually donated to a senior home, I believe. So you can do whatever you want to with it, and here's how it works. We purchased some software that's tied into our website, and it integrates with kind of with Facebook and Twitter and YouTube and a lot of those different social media channels. So what you do is, and I'm going to have a follow-up video right after this video, so just watch the whole thing if you haven't signed up yet. Watch the whole video, and I'll walk you through the basic sign-up process. And what happens is with this software, it's kind of like a raffle. So what we're going to do is every month we're going to give away prizes leading up to October, which is Sudden Cardiac Arrest Awareness Month, where we will give away an AED. But every month, to make it interesting, we're going to have a drawing for miscellaneous products. Here's a finger pulse oximeter. We've got a digital blood pressure monitor, first aid kit, American Red Cross AED trainer. This is a waterproof kit with poncho, survival kit, waterproof survival kit. It's got knives and lights and all kinds of stuff in it. But every month we're going to give away prizes. So the way it works is you're going to enter the contest, and you're going to get so many points, or like raffle tickets, raffle points, let's call them raffle points, for entering the contest. And then what you do is every time you post and you use your URL that will have your username in it to say, and you make a comment to say Facebook or Twitter or YouTube, and you make sure you post that link or even comments down below, you're going to get so many points. And I'll give you further instructions via email after you sign up. But the way it works is basically the more points you get, the more raffle points you get, the higher your probability of winning. I believe in 2011 the winner didn't have the most points, but she definitely was in the top 5 of having the most points for the contest. So I do want to preface, because we had a lot of people from overseas and stuff. The contest is basically U.S. only based, because we don't want to start shipping. It just costs way too much to ship individual monthly products like stuff like this to I don't know, somewhere in Asia or Europe or something like that. And at the same time, basically different countries have different protocols for AEDs. So the AED winner will have to be in the U.S. Technically, that's where our AEDs are only, we can only really provide AEDs to the U.S. and I believe in Canada, but we're going to stick to the U.S. for the contest. So, enter the contest and get raffle points. And on a monthly basis, whenever the spirit moves you, make another post to get more points. It's a pretty simple process. The more you interact and the more you do stuff, the more points you're going to get. And every single month, your probability of winning something goes up. And in October, your probability for winning the AED goes up. And just so you know that if you do happen to win, like a monthly prize, it does not take you out of the winning for the grand prize, the AED. And we'll do some press release around it, so that we'll make sure we do press releases in your area about you winning and all that kind of stuff. So should be a big deal, should be a lot of fun. And our goal as a company is really to get AEDs out there. It's always been a mission of ours to have an AED within 4 minutes of every man, woman, and child in the U.S. It's a strong goal, but you've got to start somewhere, and we are certainly believers in making sure that the AEDs are out there and the batteries are charged up and the pads are good and people are taking CPR. So the next video will show you how to join the contest if you haven't done so already. I look forward to sending you a monthly gift, as well as hopefully you'll be the winner of the AED for yourself or maybe your community. Okay? Now watch the next video. Okay, if this is the first time you've joined the contest, you're going to start by entering your email address in here. And I'm going to, since I've already joined the contest, I'm going to just kind of use a fictitious email address. I'll do tester45 at myemail.com, and I'm going to click get my links. All right, you're going to see this box pop up. This is your very first time, and it's going to tell you that this is your first time to enter this contest. So you're going to want to choose a contestant username, and so whatever you put in here will be what shows up as the contestant user. So you probably want to use your name, or maybe your initials, first name plus an initial, last name plus an initial, something like that. In this case, I'm just going to enter tester45 in here. And now if you have a Twitter username, you enter your Twitter username here. And if you have a YouTube username, you'd enter that here as well. Since both of these are fictitious, I'm just going to delete them because it won't go through correctly, I don't think, if we do that. So I'll do that. I'm going to enter my username, and I'm going to click get my links. You're going to see this thing thinking, creating everything. All right. Now, what you do immediately is you'll see here, this is your link. This is how you're going to get points. So it's American Med Supply /B/C2 for contest. And then, of course, you see this would be your username. So this is what you're going to be using when you post to Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, anything like that. So first thing you do is make sure you like American Med Supply. You get 20 points for doing that. Then you can connect to our profile, Facebook profile. You can do that here, and then you can also use connect to Twitter and stuff like that here to post your link into Twitter if you want. And we'll have some other stuff here in step 4. It's not set up yet, but we might have some more other stuff in here, other places where you can share there. So those are the basics, and then you want to make sure that you copy this and start using it to share in all the places you can share at. I mean, if you look on here, you can share it in all of these different places, Google+, Delicious, wherever. Facebook and YouTube and Twitter, for those that do use Twitter, are the key things. Those are the 3 big ones: Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook. So you do that, you get your points, and you scroll down here, you'll see basically the contest rules. Facebook, you can post comments right here and put your link in your comments. You get points for that. You'll see you can post to our blog. If you make sure you leave content or comments, you will need to make sure that they're not just little 1-word, 2-word comments, because what we have here is some, I guess it's called spam software or whatever, that will not really accept these short links as point worthy, I guess, if you will, for it. So make sure it doesn't have to be this long. I'm not saying that you need to write a blog post or a comment that specific or that long, but something like this is good. Best of luck, that kind of stuff. Congratulations to the winners. These are from the last contest we did in 2011. So you can do stuff like that, and that's fine. But just so you know, the little short ones like this, really don't get you any points. It's the good ones like that. Okay, that's basically how you enter the contest, and good luck to everyone.